Hello, everyone, and welcome back to the Smart English Podcast. I'm Mia, and I'm super happy to be here with you today.
And I'm Alex. It's great to be back too, Mia. We're excited to learn and chat with all of you, our amazing listeners, from wherever you are in the world.
Absolutely, Alex. Today, we're talking about something that affects everyone, everywhere. It's a topic that we often talk about with friends, family, and even strangers. Can you guess what it is?
Is it food? No, wait, travel? Oh, I know. Are we talking about the weather, Mia? That's always a good conversation starter, isn't it?
You got it, Alex. We're talking about the weather. From bright sunshine to heavy rain, it's always changing, and it definitely affects our day. So, to kick things off, Alex, what's your absolute favorite type of weather? And tell us why.
Oh, that's a fantastic question, Mia. For me, my favorite weather is definitely a warm, sunny day. You know, when the sky is clear and blue and there are just a few fluffy white clouds? It's not too hot, just comfortably warm. I love how the sun feels on my skin and everything just seems brighter and more cheerful. When it's sunny, I feel more energetic and want to go outside. I can go for a long walk, maybe even sit in a park and read a book, or meet friends for coffee outside. It's perfect for picnics or just relaxing outdoors. What about you, Mia? Do you like sunny days too, or something else?
I completely agree with you, Alex. Sunny days are wonderful. They just lift my mood instantly. I love how vibrant the colors look when the sun is out. But if I have to pick one, my absolute favorite is actually a crisp, sunny autumn day. So it's still sunny, but the air is a bit cool, not cold, just fresh. And the leaves on the trees are all red, orange, and gold. It's beautiful. I love putting on a cozy sweater and going for a walk in the forest or a park. The sound of the leaves crunching under my feet is so satisfying. It makes me feel calm and happy.
That sounds lovely, Mia. I can totally picture that. The colors of autumn are truly special. It's amazing how different types of weather can create such different feelings, isn't it? So, if that's your favorite, what kind of weather do you like the least? Is there anything you really don't enjoy?
That's easy for me, Alex. My least favorite weather is definitely very gray, cold, and rainy days that last for a long time. You know, when it's not just a little bit of rain, but a constant drizzle or even heavy rain all day long, and the sky is just one big dark cloud. Those days make me feel a bit sleepy and less motivated. I feel like I can't really do anything outside, so I just want to stay indoors, maybe watch a movie, but I also feel a bit sad. It's hard to find the energy to do things when it's like that. I really prefer clear skies. What about you? What weather makes you want to stay in bed all day?
Oh, I know exactly what you mean about those long, gray, rainy days. They can be quite draining. For me, my least favorite weather is extremely hot and humid weather. You know, when the air is thick and heavy and it feels like you're sweating just standing still? It's not just hot, but also very sticky. I find it hard to breathe and I feel tired very quickly. I can't enjoy being outside because it's just too uncomfortable. I also don't like when it's super windy. Not a gentle breeze, but strong wind that blows everything around and makes it hard to walk straight. It makes my hair messy and sand gets everywhere if I'm near a beach.
Yes, really strong wind can be annoying. It can even be a bit scary sometimes. So, Alex, how does the weather in your home country or city usually behave? Is it very stable or does it change a lot?
Well, where I live, the weather changes quite a lot, Mia. We really have all 4 seasons clearly. In spring, it's often mild and fresh, with some sunny days and some rain showers. Summer is usually hot and sunny, perfect for holidays. Then autumn brings those beautiful, colorful leaves you mentioned, but it also gets cooler and often a bit rainy. And winter, of course, can be quite cold, sometimes with snow. It's rare to have the same type of weather for many days in a row. It keeps things interesting, though, because you always need to check the weather forecast before you go out. How about the weather where you grew up, Mia? Was it also so varied?
That sounds very similar to where I grew up too, Alex. We definitely experience all 4 seasons, and the weather can be quite unpredictable. One day it can be sunny and warm, and the next day it could be much cooler with rain. I remember one time it was a beautiful sunny morning, and I went out in a light jacket. By the afternoon, there was a huge thunderstorm, and I got completely soaked. It taught me to always check the weather forecast too, or at least carry an umbrella. It's funny how much our daily lives revolve around what the sky is doing.
It really is. And it's often a good way to start a conversation with someone you don't know very well, isn't it? Like, nice weather today, isn't it? Or, it looks like rain later. It's something everyone can relate to. It's a universal topic.
Exactly. It's perfect for small talk. Now, before we wrap up our chat about the weather, I want to introduce our listeners to a few useful words and phrases related to the weather. These will definitely help you talk about it in English. First up, we have chilly. This means a bit cold, not freezing, but cold enough to need a light jacket or a sweater. For example, it's a bit chilly this morning, so I brought my cardigan. Or, after sunset, it gets quite chilly. Try to use chilly next time instead of just cold when it's not extremely cold.
That's a great one, Mia. Very common.
Our second phrase is pouring rain. This means it's raining very, very heavily, like water is being poured from the sky. You would say, "Don't forget your umbrella, it's pouring rain outside." Or, "We had to cancel our picnic because of the pouring rain." So it's much stronger than just raining or drizzling.
Oh, pouring rain definitely makes you want to stay indoors.
It really does. Next, we have sunny spells. This phrase describes short periods of sunshine during a day that is otherwise cloudy or has some rain. So, the sun isn't out all day, but it appears sometimes. You could say, "The weather forecast says we'll have sunny spells this afternoon, so maybe we can go for a short walk." Or, "Even with cloudy skies, we enjoyed some nice sunny spells today." It means the sun visits for a little while.
I love sunny spells because it means there's hope for sunshine even on a not-so-bright day.
Exactly. And finally, our last phrase for today is breezy. This describes a day with a light and pleasant wind. It's not strong wind, just a nice, gentle movement of air. For example, "It's a lovely breezy day, perfect for a walk by the sea." Or, "I love sitting on the balcony when it's breezy. It feels fresh and cool, not annoying like strong wind."
Breezy is a wonderful word for those comfortable days.
So, to quickly recap, we talked about our favorite and least favorite weather, how weather changes in different places, and introduced chilly, pouring rain, sunny spells, and breezy. We hope you enjoyed our chat about the weather and learned some new English words today.
Thank you so much for listening, everyone. We always love spending time with you. Remember to practice these new words when you talk about the weather.
Yes, keep practicing. If you enjoyed this episode, please hit that like button, subscribe to our channel for more Smart English podcast episodes, and let us know in the comments below what your favorite weather is. We love reading your messages. And thank you for joining us today. We'll see you next time.